they finished the fence, the gate access to Royal Avenue in between the car park and the old Bankstown gate. Okay, they have. So was correct, those holes they put in the ground were for the poles. Cars. Okay. It's a good day to spray paint the fence now. Down below, when they painted the fence black, they spray painted it. Nice and sunny today, doesn't look like rain. Okay, so they put the top and the bottom parts of the fence like I was talking about yesterday, but they finalised it today. They could clean up the rubbish out here. This is where I got a piece of wood lodged into my thumb, which actually appears to be getting worse. Skirting boards on top and the bottom up this here as well now. No changes in there. Well, at least still the fence down the road, down the bottom of the gate. I'll still be able to give some updates as they go along and do their digging and construction and all that sort of stuff. So there's some fencing inside as well. As usual, thank you for watching. I'll continue to try and upload videos when there's some sort of changes. Thanks for watching, please give me a subscribe.